What up guys, Hillbilly Millionaire. By the end of this video, you're gonna know how to turn beeswax that you bought from the store or that you harvested from your own bees like I did into the best chapstick in the world. This is a under 10-minute project. There is no easier way than this, and I haven't found anywhere else online talking about how easy this is. Stick around. Alright guys, there's only 4 ingredients. Really there's 3 ingredients and one's an optional one. So the first one is beeswax. The recipe's simple. It's a 1-to-1-to-1 ratio. So you're gonna have X amount of beeswax. This beeswax I just melted myself and threw into cupcake tins. You're gonna have coconut oil. Just make sure there's not a bunch of crap in it, just coconut oil. And you can use either almond oil, which is your vitamin E. So the beeswax does the protecting, keeps your lips protected. The coconut oil makes it spreadable. And your almond oil, or the secret ingredient I'm using today, is hazelnut oil, and it is awesome. It is the best oil. All your good stuff comes from that. A lot of recipes will call for almond oil. I'm using hazelnut oil because the amount of vitamin E is far superior. You could not sell this and make money. So you could, but no one's gonna buy it because it's too expensive. But to make it for yourself, to use and give away for friends and family, a lot of people have on the stove, double boiler system, beeswax is highly flammable, be super careful. And that's true. And I accidentally discovered an even better way, so I'm gonna show you that right now. Here's the fancy pants way. I have this from Walmart for like $1 or something like that. I threw the puck in there. This is just this, and all the recipe is a 1-to-1-to-1. Now what's the 4th ingredient? The 4th ingredient is essential oils, right? And so this one's peppermint flavored. Make sure you get a food safe essential oil. But I just throw it in here. Rather than doing something fancy and doing it, I'm gonna do not something fancy. Going to throw this guy in here. Bam, like that. And I'm gonna hit microwave for 1 minute. I'm gonna then find out exactly how much is in there, and we'll come back.
A few moments later.
All right, once this is microwaved, here's my cheater, right? This is how I'm cheating. This is the easy way. This is a measuring cup. This measuring cup is now dedicated to this, so I sacrifice this measuring cup. If you see all this junk that's in the bottom, that is the junk that was in my beeswax. I can strain it out. I'm not going to, it doesn't bother me, but you do you. This is close enough to me to 2 ounces. And so here's the next steps. It's a 1-to-1-to-1 ratio. That's all it is. So this is 2 ounces of beeswax. We put 2 ounces of coconut oil in there. And I'm gonna put 2 ounces of hazelnut oil in there. And then a few drops of this. If you want it to be more pepperminty, put extra drops in. If you want it to be less, put less drops in. And so you're gonna see me do that right now. 2 ounces here. I'm taking this and just mixing it up. See all this here?
Microwaving and mixing, microwave and mixing, right? It's a 1-to-1-to-1 ratio. I have 6 ounces total, and I said I was cheating, right? This is taking me longer to film and figure out, the camera guy, thank you, Frank, than it actually takes you to do and make. And this is better than anything you'll buy. I started by trying to buy Burt's Bees, and Burt's Bees has like 7 or 8 ingredients in it. And I refused to pay $9 for 3 tubes of beeswax chapstick. So instead, I bought $50 worth of the kits so I can make 100. And so you're gonna see that right now. So there's this kit right here, and you have these tubes, and this is some of the best stocking stuffers you ever have. You can reuse old chapstick if you want. But these essentially plug in here. You pour a whole bunch on top, you scrape them in. I have a link to this below in the description. This is actually my 2nd round through, but I'm just gonna show you can fill these one at a time individually, not a big deal. You just set this down, maybe 2 or 3 of them. Make sure that the carriage is all the way down to the bottom, and make sure to pour these guys in. It's nothing crazy. Oh, there's one. It's officially done. Super, super simple. All right. If you didn't catch that, we'll do it again. Very simple. All right. You can refill these, right, as many times as you want. Don't throw the tubes away. I refill all the ones that I find. I'll find stuff or run it through the washer and reuse it. People might say, Hugh, you're a millionaire. Why are you reusing stuff? Well, you got there by watching every penny. So don't be wasteful. But, you know, all in, these tubes probably cost maybe $1 or $2. Something like that. I'm just using this paper plate so I don't get everything dirty. Now, these currently doesn't have any flavor in them, right? So I made 4 tubes, just no flavor. I'm going to take some peppermint oil in there. I'm going to just drop you in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll normally put, oh, looks like some ink down in there. I'll normally put 1 drop per ounce. There's 6 ounces, I put 6 drops in. In this case, it was 8. Oh well. I'm going to give that a mix. That's it. I mean, there is nothing fancy. Remember, guys, we have merch on the store now. If you want to learn tips and tricks around gardening, saving money, making money, make sure you like and subscribe. And I also have a video. I have another channel up in the description that teaches you about finance, real estate, and business if you're interested in that. We'll see you next time.
Ba